From this default Django admin to this newly unfold theme Django admin. So welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you on how to change the default Django ad theme to this new Django admin. So first of all, let me take you through my Django project setup. I had created this blog website. I've already run my server. Let's see how it looks from the backend. This is my backend interface. So this is what we are going to transform this theme. Okay. So first of all, we are going to use django-unfold. Django-unfold is a modern Django admin theme for seamless interface development. You can see how it looks. I will leave this link in the video description so that you can check it out. They have given the documentation on how to use it, on how to install it, and everything on how to customize it to use Django-unfold. So first of all, let us understand what is Django-unfold. Unfold is a theme for Django admin, incorporating most common practices for building full-fledged admin areas. It is designed to work on top of default administration provided by Django. Okay, so Django-unfold uses Tailwind CSS framework for its styling. So you can see the features. It has visuals, provides a new user interface based on Tailwind CSS framework. Sidebar, dark mode supports both light and dark mode versions. Configurations, dependencies, actions. We have dashboard, inline tabs, model tabs, colors. It has a lot of features. I'll leave this link in the video description so that you can go through it. So let us get started transforming this default Django admin to this. So first of all, let's use the documentation on GitHub. Okay, so first of all, we install Django-unfold. Okay, just copy it, then go to my terminal. Let me stop the server. Let me clear everything and then install Django-unfold. Okay, next thing you want to do is add this. Okay, this is very important. Ensure you add the unfold inside your installed apps. Let's add it right here, and this is very important. Ensure that you add it in the top, at the top of the list, at the top of this django.contrib.admin, because Django default uses this one. So if I run the server, we should be able to notice there is a change in how our default Django admin looks. So this is how it looks. If I refresh, you can see it has changed. Okay, it looks way better than the default one. It has these features. You can log out, you can change the mode of, we have light, we have dark, use the system. So you can see it looks way better, but it's not as it's supposed to be. You can see these inputs are not well styled, so we need to customize that as well. So to do that, it is very simple. Go to your app, go to your admin, the admin right here. Then you can see the when you register, class admin is inheriting from admin.modeladmin, but now we want it to inherit from unfold. So you can see our classes are inheriting from admin.modeladmin, but we want them to inherit from unfold. So what to do is from unfold dot admin port model admin port model admin. Now we want our classes to inherit model admin from unfold instead of using admin.model admin. Okay, so if they inherit from this model admin, we shall see those fields being styled using Tailwind CSS so nicely. So let's refresh these. You can see now they look much more nice. Okay, you can see they look way better, and then you can see as well on these. Okay, you can see now they look much better than they were. So the next thing we need to do, you can notice on these groups and users, they haven't styled them well. This is because these are default. So you can see using the documentation, not registered admin models coming from third-party packages are not going to properly work with Unfold because parent class. By default, these models are registered by using django.contrib.model.admin, but it is needed to use unfold.admin.modeladmin. Solution for this problem is to unregister model and then again register it back by using unfold.model.modeladmin. So we are going to use this technique. First of all, we need to import these two. Okay, so let's import all of that and then paste it right here. Let me paste it here. So what we have done, we have imported these user admin and group admin and also the default user. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is we need to unregister this and then register it again. So you can see admin.unregister. So we are going to unregister both user and group. Add here group. This group. So we need to unregister them and then register them afresh. Okay, we have unregistered them. Now let us register them again as the documentation suggests. So let's copy this. And then paste it there. Okay, you may notice that now let us refresh this. See the group. You can see now it looks much better. Okay, you can see the status is true. It has this green. We have the filters. We have these as well. It's customized field. Looks nice than the default one. So guys, that is how you convert. That is how you transform your default Django admin to this new looking admin interface. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and also like and also give a comment in the comments section. Bye bye.